making Basil Grands Centrals this morning, so
great pun by me.
Yeah, that was the name was by Matt. So it's 8:25 at the moment. Is it really only 8? It's only 8, but the bar is open. Whenever we go on a train or a mountain, only those two, the bar is open. So
it's the party train.
We've got some fresh strawberries in there. Ketchup. There's some ketchup. And then we've got some Basil vodka that we've made ourselves. That's pretty good. We've got some Grand Marnier as well. Seems to be the biggest bottle, which is an orange cognac.
Chambord, because they're only small bottles. So 2 Chambords.
I've got some black peppercorns just for garnish. Gonna crush them up on the top.
We've got some cups.
How many things do you have in your pockets, man?
Right, are we ready to start then?
Get my cup of tea out of here.
Good. They're done with tea now.
It's getting serious now.
So we'll start with some Basil vodka. So how many are we making? 6.
Twins, Basil. Twins. There should be enough for 6.
Brilliant. So
3 each.
3 each.
Oh, to the penny.
So that's your Basil vodka. Drink responsibly.
On your trains and...
I'm mad already.
You say they're all measured, yeah?
No, that's not measured.
Oh, right.
I just banged that in.
That's some strawberry puree. I mean, you did measure it pretty well to be fair.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh.
Chambord. And some more Chambord.
I'll just go Chambord.
Basil, so it should be like a nice balance between sweet and savoury. And then the Grand in the Basil Grand, it obviously comes from the Grand Marnier, which is an orange cognac. Not sure if we'll be able to fit all 6 in one.
I don't think we will. We might be able to just get away with it.
This is a Grand Central service for London King's Cross.
This is a Basil Grand Central.
So we've got all that stuff in there. Well, almost anyway.
Now, I'd like to point out that Will is wearing a white shirt, and also I'm wearing a white shirt.
And everything is red.
Please, for God's sake.
Please familiarise yourselves with the sausages. Shake it all over the place.
I'm just a tidier upper.
Start cracking the black pepper.
Yeah.
Just crush it up on you. Don't be like that. This is a child friendly.
Let's say I'll get a credit card out, yeah?
We're
Priority seating is available
alive.
throughout the train.
Please do not
Please
say
be prepared to
fuck
give
off.
up the seats for anyone who may need them.
Man, I have so much difficulty cracking peppercorns.
I'll give that a smell. Yeah, this is a shout out to you, Paddy.
Yeah, sure.
And Luke Barty.
And Luke Barty, who is often been seen on the Grand Central. But yeah, shout out to Paddy because Paddy loves his pepper.
He does. He'll be able to smell this. He'll be on train in 5 minutes. Next stop, he'll be there.
You just need to get your spoon, and then there you go. That's one done.
We're getting there.
Coops. These aren't quite nice.
I'll keep crushing.
And then after this, we're topping with cranberry juice.
Oh, steady.
If anyone would like a cocktail, the bar is open. But there's only 6 of them, and there's only one cocktail.
And the concentrate, because they've been watered
And
down.
we won't be here long because these aren't our seats.
People are going to turn up and say, why the f*** are there peppercorns? It's all over my table.
My bacon sandwich tastes really peppery.
Paddy will love it. Oh, we've got our first customer to the bar.
Wow, that is a bad angle, mate.
First customer.
Give her a little extra. Have we got any more cranberry juice? Just to...
No.
Basically, we
are now
our cranberry
approaching
juice is
Murfield.
in our Oasis bottle. It's definitely not Oasis. Definitely not Oasis.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored. Hashtag please sponsor. Hashtag Chairman's UK. What you've got to do is make a mess and then just leave before the people turn up.
Do you know the pepper? Have you ground it on the table?
Yeah, Paddy loves pepper. And here's your garnish to go with that basil. And then what he'll do is with all his black pepper, You'll go to drink it, smell it in, and then sneeze it everywhere. Sneeze it everywhere. Basil Grands Central's here. So,
Cheers now.
Everyone knows your name.
All hail.
Ted
Ted
Danson.
Danson.
Luke Barton.
Luke Barton. All hail Luke Barton.
All hail Luke.
I've got a little crunch of the popcorn.
That's really good. 8:30 in the morning.
Oh, it took us 5 minutes as well. Oh, there you are. That's £10, please.
I got like one of the biggest peppercorns.
Bye. Bye.
See ya.